What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a new video that we're starting right now. It's on a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. It's the Summit White finish. We're going to be doing the 4-inch Cognito performance lift kit with the Fox reservoir shocks, the upper control arms, and the steering braces. We're also going to be doing a set of the 37 1250/20 Toyo Open Country RT Pro tires. It's one of my favorite tires to sell lately because it's just a really good looking tire. It rides good. It doesn't have any noise to it. Well, it has a little bit, but nothing crazy on the noise. It's a really good everyday tire. This is for a customer named Bo. He drove all night to be here from Mobile, Alabama. Pretty sure it's about a 6 to 7 hour drive that he did. So I wanted to say I appreciate the opportunity from him. We're also going to be doing a leveling kit for his wife's Yukon tomorrow. So he's bringing me 2 vehicles. Thank you for that. I'm about to get out of the truck and show you what we're working with today. This one's the Summit White color. I'm partial to that because that's what color my Tahoe is, but let me know what you think in the comments. Well, here's our truck. I was in a traffic jam in the shop parking lot for about 15 minutes trying to get up here. I've parked everywhere in the parking lot trying to find a spot to do this clip, and there's somebody that I'm in their way every single place I go. So anyways, 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. This truck is amazing, brand new, less than 2,000 miles on it. This is the perfect truck to start lifting on. Has the color match fender flares already. Has the Recon smoked amber side marker lights already. Other than that, the truck looks pretty stock. It has the factory BF Goodrich tires. Guys, I'm not a fan, I'll be honest. They look cool, but as a customer service representative that sells tires all day long, they come back with a shake every time. So please don't make me sell you these tires. Anyway, they're not all shakers. Mostly they all shake. Over long time periods they shake. Anyways, this truck's gonna be going on a 4-inch Cognito performance kit. It's gonna have Fox reservoir 2.0 shocks with the upper control arms. We're gonna replace the stock upper control arms that you see here. The GM control arm is very nice, but this kit does, come with their Alpha series ball joint in their control arm, so it is nice too. We're gonna use that factory AT4 wheel. I really like the way it looks in the gloss black. And then we're gonna come back with the 37 1250/20 Toyo Open Country RT Pro. It's a very, very good mud tire option. It does come with a mileage warranty. It's the first time for that in the business. 45,000 mile warranty on a mud tire is kind of crazy. And then we're gonna come back with mud flap deletes to make that a little bit shorter and nicer to look at. It's gonna be a pretty routine install. I'm ready to get started on it now. The guys are in the shop with the bay open. Stay tuned for the process. And I want to say I really appreciate you, Bo, for the business. Thank you. So another day, another truck, another video. We have a brand new 2025 GMC Sierra AT4 Summit White with a Cognito performance kit on it with Fox shocks, the reservoir shocks. This truck's amazing. It looks awesome. The Toyo RT Pro makes the truck. You guys at home watching, if you're going back and forth with other tire brands besides Toyo and Nitto, I really don't know what you're seeing in the other brands. I don't know what it is that makes you think that tire looks better or rides better or whatever. Maybe I'm just the way I am about it. Maybe I'm the crazy one. I don't know. But we keep putting these Toyo RT Pros on, and they keep on having good reviews. Everybody loves the way they ride. I bought a set of my own vehicle, and I love the way they ride. So, I don't know. You come at me with the Falcons. You can come at me with the Mickey Thompsons, whatever you want. You know, you tell me stories of how good they were in the past. I do these every day, and nobody calls me with problems on Toyos and Nittos, so that's what I do. This one looks amazing. The sidewall, the tire looks awesome. I'm about to get out and show you what the truck looks like so Bo can get back on the road. He is headed back to Mobile, Alabama. We actually have two vehicles up here. If I get a chance up here in a minute, I'll put his Yukon in. It's a really nice Yukon. It's white with a black top, so I'm about to get out and show you this truck. Let me know what you think in the comments, and appreciate you watching. All right, so here's our truck. This thing looks perfect. I know Bo's gonna love it. The AT4, the white one, you can't really go wrong with the color. You can't really go wrong with the truck. What I love about this truck is that he has the color match trim. He has it looks like the Recon smoked lights. I love that. The gloss black wheel that GMC puts on the AT4 from the factory is great. You put that Toyo Open Country RT Pro on it, and it looks good on pretty much any wheel that you put it on. This is the 37 12 50 20 on the factory 20 wheel. Still gives us a little bit of clearance right here on that spindle so we don't have any rub on the tire. Cognito upper control arms right here are great. They come in the performance kit. There's your Fox reservoir shock. It's a really good looking shock. It rides amazing. This is definitely an industry standard for an upgraded shock, is that Fox Resi right there, 2.0. It's amazing. There's our Cognito cross member. It's a 4-inch lift kit. Puts all your factory angles perfectly. Really can't go wrong with anything out of the box with Cognito. They do a really good job on all their parts. McGoy's does a great job. BDS does a great job. If you stay within my brands, the ones that I like to sell, you usually get good quality. I get calls a lot for different lift kit companies, and I'm not knocking anybody that I haven't tried. I'm comfortable with what I do. I have a good customer service with this company, and if there's ever any issues, you know, they're the first ones that will help me out if there's a problem. I don't really know about these other companies and how they're going to act if there's an issue. Overall, the package that we have here looks great. You know, we've done a few that look like this in the past, but it's such a nice build. I'm going to film it every time. Every one of these trucks that are a different trim package, they have a different grille, like your Denali's, your Denali Ultimates, your AT4s, your SLTs. Every little one, even the AT4X, it has a different grille, so the trucks have a different identity. What kind of GMC guy are you? I always make little jokes at the shop that the Denali Ultimate guy is the businessman. The AT4 is the little bit of an off-road guy. You know, every little trim package comes with its own little funny thing. You can almost pick people out of a crowd and tell which truck they would drive. I'm probably an AT4 guy, let's be honest. I like the AT4. Denali Ultimates may be a little bit too nice for me. I'm either a Denali or an AT4 guy. Let me know what you think about this truck in the comments. I'm gonna put a clip after this to show the price of what this job would cost. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My number is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. And like I said, I appreciate everybody watching the channel.